the Leatherman KB Pocket Knife. Boom, baby. You want to know more? Well, stay tuned. Hi, folks. It's Jeff Leatherman here. And tonight we're talking about a nice little pocket knife. Now, a couple of years ago, Leatherman came up with a minimalist multi-tool called the Leatherman Skeletor. And it was amazing, very light, and also just did a couple of things, but it did them very well. As you can see, we've got a nice blade here. A carabiner with a bottle opener, and that was very nice. A bit driver, and of course, some pliers. And a lot of people, including myself, really love this. It's fantastic. And then what Leatherman did after that is they decided, let's make a very lightweight knife that people that enjoy these skeletons are really going to dig. And fair enough. So we got the skeleton here, and we have the Leatherman KB Pocket Knife here. And as you can see, what they've done is they've basically just taken the knife portion of the skeleton and made it into a knife. And I'll tell you what, man, this thing is lightweight, and it's just really nice. So it's one hand opening, as you can see there. It has a liner lock, which you can see there, and one hand closing, as you can see there. So let's talk about some of the specs of this. So the open length is going to be 6 inches, and a closed length of 3.4 inches, which I'll show you there. Now it has a blade length of 2.6 inches, and almost all of that is usable length. Now this is 428C steel, which is not a super steel by any means. However, it's a great serviceable steel, and I have a few of them, a few 428C knives, and I love them. They're easy enough to sharpen up when you get dull. Okay, now the biggest bonus of the Leatherman KB Pocket Knife is its weight. This is 1.3 ounces, which is absolutely perfect if you're a backpacker and you're counting every single ounce of weight. You want everything to be light. This is perfect for that. It's also perfect for camping. It's perfect for EDC. Anytime you just need a small knife, and you throw this in your pocket and you forget it's that light. Okay, now it's got a clip, as you can see here, and it's a deep pocket carry clip, and it also has a bottle opener on it, which is very handy for if you're camping and you want to open up a beer, or if you're using this at work to open up boxes and whatnot, and you want a beer after work, that works out perfectly. Okay, now this is $29.95 US dollars, and that is actually not a bad price for what you're actually getting. And this has bronze bushings on it, which I don't think you're going to be able to see there, but maybe. Take my word for it, it's bronze bushings. Okay, so there you go. This is a great little knife. It's incredibly pocket friendly, and I highly recommend it. It's a great EDC knife, like I said, great for backpacking, and fantastic for just a small camping knife. Now, if I don't carry mine in my pocket, I can actually also carry it just here in a small pocket organizer. And yeah, you don't even notice that it's there. So a great product, something I personally recommend. And I'll leave a link down below. And so if you're interested in something like this, you can pick one up from Amazon for about $29.95. All right, folks. Until next time, this is Jeff Livingstone. Take care. Keep your nose sharp. Stay safe. Bye now.